Imagine waking up tomorrow to a phone call that changes your life forever. A lawyer tells you a distant relative you've never met has passed away and left you an inheritance worth $10 million. No lottery, no scam. Every cent is legally yours. Your heart races. You check your bank account over and over. The documents are real. Suddenly, every problem you've ever worried about seems to disappear. But the biggest challenge is only beginning. Your mind immediately starts spending the money. A mansion, a Lamborghini, first-class flights, luxury watches. But here's the shocking truth. This is exactly how many wealthy heirs become broke. The smartest thing you can do is absolutely nothing. Don't quit your job today. Don't post about your fortune. Don't tell everyone you know. Wealth grows in silence. Somehow, people begin finding out. Friends you haven't spoken to in years suddenly call. Cousins appear out of nowhere. Everyone has a reason why they deserve a piece of your money. One friend needs help paying debts. Another has the perfect business idea. Family members expect expensive gifts. Saying yes feels kind, but every yes makes your fortune smaller. Instead of shopping, you hire a lawyer, a tax expert, and an experienced financial advisor. Before making your first purchase, you build a team whose job is protecting your future. Then comes the biggest surprise. $10 million sounds unlimited, but if you spend $1 million every year, you'll be broke in just 10 years. And that's before taxes and inflation. Instead of spending everything, you divide the money into emergency savings, investments, real estate, and businesses that generate income. Your goal changes from looking rich to staying rich. Months later, your life looks different. You're calmer, more confident. You don't need to impress anyone because your money is quietly working for you every single day. And this is only the beginning. After months of planning, you finally reward yourself. Not with 10 supercars, but with one beautiful home that fits your lifestyle. You enjoy your wealth without letting it control you. Then something strange happens. Luxury becomes normal. The expensive vacations, designer clothes, and five-star hotels stop feeling special. You start wanting even more. A bigger house means higher taxes. Exotic cars need expensive maintenance. Private travel costs a fortune. The price of being rich isn't buying things, it's keeping them. Instead of chasing status, you begin buying assets. Dividend stocks, rental properties, and index funds quietly produce income month after month, even while you sleep. One day you notice something incredible. Your investments earn more in a month than your old annual salary. You realize true wealth is owning assets, not showing off. Then someone promises to double your money in 1 year. It sounds convincing. Fancy presentations, luxury offices, guaranteed profits. But if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. You politely reject risky investments. Some people call you selfish. Others say you're missing the opportunity of a lifetime. But protecting your fortune is more important than chasing quick riches. You decide to help others, but with a plan. Scholarships, charities, and support for your family all fit within a budget. Generosity becomes sustainable instead of emotional. Years later, your mornings are peaceful. Coffee on the balcony. No financial stress. No pache anxiety. Your investments cover your lifestyle while you spend time on what truly matters. But staying wealthy isn't just about money. It's about discipline. Every decision you make today determines whether your fortune lasts for generations or disappears within your lifetime. By now, you've realized something surprising. Rich people don't ask, "What can I buy?" They ask, "What will make me more money?" That single question changes everything. Even millions lose value over time. If your money sits in cash for years, inflation quietly steals its purchasing power. Investing isn't just about growing wealth. It's about protecting it. You never rely on one investment. Stocks, bonds, real estate, businesses, and cash reserves all play different roles. If one struggles, the others keep you financially secure. Then the unexpected happens. The stock market crashes. News headlines spread fear. Millions of investors panic and sell everything. But you don't panic. You remember that every major market crash in history has eventually recovered. Instead of selling, you keep investing while prices are lower. A few years later, the market rebounds. Your portfolio reaches new highs. The people who panicked locked in losses. Your patience becomes one of your greatest investments. Now your biggest luxury isn't the cars or the house. It's time. You can travel when you want, learn new skills, spend time with family, or simply enjoy life without worrying about bills. You begin teaching your children that money is a tool, not a trophy. They learn how to budget, invest, and build wealth instead of depending on inheritance. You realize that true success isn't measured by the money you leave behind. It's measured by the knowledge, values, and opportunities you pass on to others. After nearly a decade, your $10 million has faced temptation, market crashes, endless requests, and risky investments. One final question remains. Did you become richer, or did you slowly spend it all? Imagine two people inheriting the same $10 million. One spends to impress others. The other invests to create freedom. 10 years later, their lives couldn't be more different. The first buys supercars, yachts, luxury vacations, and designer everything. Every year, the fortune gets smaller while the lifestyle gets more expensive. The second person lives comfortably but lets the money grow. Every investment produces more income, creating a cycle where wealth builds on itself. A decade passes. The spender is forced to sell assets just to pay the bills. The investor now owns even more than the original inheritance. Real wealth isn't waking up with millions in the bank. It's knowing you'll never have to worry about money again because your assets keep producing income. The inheritance was never the reason one became wealthy. Their decisions were. Money simply revealed the habits they already had. Now ask yourself honestly, if someone transferred $10 million into your account tomorrow, would you know exactly what to do, or would emotions make the decisions for you? The secret isn't earning millions before learning about money. The secret is learning about money before millions ever arrive. Even if you never inherit a fortune, the same principles still apply. Spend less than you earn. Invest consistently. Avoid bad debt. Let time do the heavy lifting. Asterisk. One phone call can change your bank account, but only your decisions can change your future. If you inherited $10 million tomorrow, what would your very first move be? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more finance stories that could change the way you think about money.